Po, sir. My name is Daryl Intagen,
My name is Joey Pamituan.
and our topic is
Will
Recovery
database
Data Database
after
after a
a
power
power
failure
failure
in an
in an
online
install.
store. Yes, medyo.
Abstract. This case study focuses on designing a robust database recovery system for online stores to address challenges caused by power failures. The proposed recovery strategy uses an entity relationship diagram (ERD) to model key entities like customer order and product, ensuring data integrity and operational resilience. Finding highlight that pro- proactive database recovery designs safeguard critical business data while enhancing user trust and satisfaction. Introduction.
Background. Efficient database management is critical for the smooth operation for online stores, which depend on reliable systems to manage transactions, inventory, and customer data. However, unexpected power failures can lead to severe disruptions, including data loss, incomplete orders, and prolonged downtime. So these challenges emphasize that the need for a robust recovery framework that ensures data integrity and rapid service restoration. This case study explores the design of a recovery system tailored for online stores, focusing on mechanisms like transactions logging, automated backups, and prioritized recovery workflows. By leveraging a well-structured entity relationship diagram or ERD, the proposed solution provides a scalable and reliable approach to database recovery, ensuring minimal operations disruptions and enhanced customer trust. Problem statement. Power failures create a significant challenges for online stores, disrupting critical operations and affecting overall efficiency. This disruption often lead to data loss, where important transactional data, inventory updates, and customer information are at risk of being permanently erased. Here's our objectives. Develop mechanisms to capture and protect critical database changes in real time. The second is design recovery workflows that prioritize essential operations for rapid service restoration. Third one is build a recovery framework that is scalable, efficient, and user-friendly. Last one is maintain reliable service continuity to enhance user satisfaction during disruptions.
Background information.
Background information. Context. Online stores face unique challenges in database management due to their dynamic and high volume nature as they scale to handle increasing customer interactions and transactions. The ability to recover quickly from disruptions become crucial for maintaining customer and trust, maintaining customer trust and operational efficiency. So, ina-highlight niya dito yung importance ng robust database management practices para ma-handle yung pag-scale at in-ensure yung data integrity kaya nagpo-provide ng quick recovery strategy para ma-maintain ang both customer trust and business continuity. Sige, balik na yun. Proposed solution. System overview. The proposed recovery system is structured around an entity relationship diagram that models essential components of an online store. The system includes entities such as customer, order, product, and shipment, supported by mechanisms like transaction logging and automated backups to ensure rapid recovery and minimal data losses. So, ito po yung ano, yung design ng diagram namin, tsaka yung features niya. Entities. Yung entities is customer, product, order details, shipment, and shops. So, nag-handle siya ng many-to-many relationships such as one customer can buy many products and multiple customer can borrow the same product. And one-to-many relationships such as one shop can sell many products. And lastly, one-on-one relationship where each order is linked to one shipment. So, ito po yun. Yun yung next.
Functionality. The system is designed to support the critical recovery tasks essential for maintaining seamless operation in the event of power failures. It ensures real-time transaction logging to capture database changes immediately before disruptions occur, minimizing data loss. Recovery workflows are streamlined by prioritizing the restoration of essential services, allowing operations to resume efficiently. Data consistency is maintained by verifying and reconciling inter, inter, inter,
Interrupt.
interrupt process, ensuring that all records are accurate and up to date. Additionally, the system enables
Continuity.
continuity in customer interactions, minimizing disruptions to the user and expression and safeguarding customers. Capturing changes to the database in real time, this helps prevent the data loss if the power goes and out as unexpectedly. Prioritizing recovery, the system focuses on restoring the most important services. First two operations can get back up and running quickly. Ensuring data consistency, the system checks and fixes any errors that might have happened during a power power outage, maintaining customer interactions.
Tingnan ko rin. So, yung key features para ng system namin is nag-include siya ng transaction logging, automated backups, priority workflows, and scalability. Ako na pre. Implementation, process, requirement analysis, identified critical data and functionalities for recovery, focuses on orders, inventory, and customer data. ERD development, design an ERD to model entities and relationships, ensuring efficient recovery of interconnected data. Validation, review the ERD for completeness and ensure it supported real-time logging and backups. So, um, challenges and solutions. Data inconsistencies mitigated by implementing transaction logging and validation checks during recovery. So, yung data inconsistencies, na- minimitigated daw ito gamit ang transaction logging validation checks sa recovery. So, ang transaction logging is siya yung nag-ensure na lahat ng changes ay na-record. Then, ang validation checks is siya yung nagsesecure ng data integrity bago i-restore. Prolonged downtime. Addressed by prioritizing critical workflows and automating key recovery steps. So, siya yung nag-address sa pamamagitan ng pag-prioritize ng critical workflows at automation ng recovery steps na pinapabilis ang recovery at pinapababa ang downtime.
Oh, yeah, Thomas.
Insight and evaluation, project completion. The recovery framework successfully addresses challenges associated with power failures, ensuring minimal data loss and rapid service restoration. By modeling essential entities and relationships, the ERD provides a strong foundation for implementing a reliable recovery system. Objective achievement. The recovery system effectively met its objectives by implementing real-time logging and automated backups, ensuring minimal data discrepancies and maintaining data integrity. Additionally, it is structured to quickly resume critical services and enhancing operational resilience while fostering user trust and satisfaction during recovery scenarios. Future work. Enhance automation. Develop algorithms to automate recovery workflows further. User-centric design. Create an intuitive interface to guide administrators during recovery. Predictive analytics. Integrate tools to anticipate and mitigate potential system disruptions.
Conclusion. This case study demonstrates the effectiveness of using an ERD to design a database recovery framework for online stores by incorporating transaction logging, automated backups, and priority restoration workflows. The system ensures data integrity, rapid recovery, and service continuity. Final thoughts. A proactive database recovery design is essential for maintaining operational resilience in online retail environments. Future
Enhancement.
enhancement such as predictive
Analytics.
analytics and user-friendly interface can further strengthen the system
System stability.
ability to adapt to evolving challenges,
Ensuring
ensuring
long-term
long-term
success
success
for
for
online
online
stores
stores
in
in competitive
competitive
digital
digital
marketplace.
marketplaces.
So
So
thank you
that's
for
all.
listening.
That's all. Thank you.
Again, my name is Joy Pamintuan.
And my name is Darlene Tag.